Hi friends, I'm Sumati here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting learning, that is how to upload videos and photos on your Create Studio. For that you have to log into facebook.com, and once you are into your page, click here that here on my Facebook page it is available Create Studios. If I click here, it will redirect it to my Facebook createstudio.com. So I do have a lot of I'm managing a lot of other pages. So here I have a Blessing Institution, so I just go there. How to post the videos in this? So to post your videos, either you can create here new or here, any which way is fine with. As you click here, you will get a drop down here. So go to live or multiple videos that you can upload at one shot, or upload single videos or art stories and create postings as you wish. You can go ahead and do any which way. So I'm going to upload a video. Yeah, I have typed my video title, that is how to create a YouTube advanced settings on YouTube. I've given the slash also, that is a hashtag YouTube advanced settings, and I also have given the description, that is Blessing Institution is one of the top institution in Bangalore, affiliate with VTeach, and we are affiliated with Skill India NSDC. And what are the courses that we are teaching in this institutions, that I have given in detail, and all the hashtags related to our videos, and websites or the social medias that is related to our videos that I'm doing. And next thing is, I just add in now advanced optimization, so that when people are viewing from the mobile or from the laptop or any which way, horizontal or portrait, any which way they can see, it will be accessible to them in a according to their expected thing. And I can schedule it, I can publish now, or I can schedule whichever the dates that I wanted to schedule for predated. And I can save also this, and I can allow for other pages to post. And if I say yes, it will ask for which are the pages that it has to be showed in all pages also, but I don't want it to be shown in all the pages, so it will be a clumsy. So I just put it in a particular pages only. So add a playlist also. If you wanted to create a playlist, you can go ahead and create. Now that I have created a YouTube tutorials, because in this page I'm going to teach you all the digital marketing courses, so I have created as a YouTube tutorial, and I have pasted what are the things that we are teaching, and I'm going to add this thumbnail also. So I'll create page, and here I wanted to upload the image, so I upload the image here. So with that I have done. I'll go ahead, I'll see next captions. Next, I don't want you to add other playlist, add placed as yes, YouTube tutorials and tracking. Okay, I just go ahead and save this. Done. So it is already saved here. If I wanted to schedule or post it, edit posting, go to edit post, and yeah, I can cross check once again, is everything in place, and I can publish it now immediately if I wanted to. Yeah, hola. So I have published it already, and it is also is one of the way that you can monetize and earn money through Facebook Create Studio. So it requires when you meet their eligibility, then definitely you can earn money in this also. See, you need to meet eligibility criteria to use the monetization tools, and some tool might have additional requirement. Review which page are eligible and apply for the access. You will receive an email after your application has been reviewed. So if you keep uploading your photos and videos in this page, so in future, if you're insights that if you can meet the criteria according to the Facebook Creator Studio, you can start earning money from this as well. And you can also post your Facebook your Instagram postings also in this. So you have to select the pages first, Instagram, and here you can go and upload. For Instagram I have another page, so same way you can post it, so that from the Instagram also your videos and your postings can be viewed, and you can get more views, and you can drive a traffic, organical traffic to your website and your Facebook page or your Instagram page. This is one such easiest way to drive the your customer to your website. And I hope this video would have been useful for you guys. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.